Okay, so schizophrenia and bipolar, schizophrenia, catatonic, schizophrenia. Okay, so this is my experience with other people with schizophrenia and schizoaffective. I've met two people with schizophrenia that live in, near me. Who else have I met? There's probably more. The two that come to mind are the two, and one of them is very over medicated and struggles with weight gain, and I feel really bad for him. He's struggled a lot, but I think he's just over medicated, and that's what I've experienced. A lot of people experience weight gain from suicidal, or from not suicidal thoughts, from medicine, specifically antipsychotics. So I'm gonna tell you some medicine that I've been on. I've been on Abilify. That one made me wired and crazy. I've been on PALPERIDONE. I've been on RISPERIDONE, DEPAKOTE, divalproic acid, or whatever. And what else have I been on? I've been on something INVEGA. No, that's PALPERIDONE. I don't know. Anyways, but a lot of people, like I said, there's another person that has schizoaffective that I know struggles with weight gain, and so it's interesting because the one person also reads a lot of books, and it's just cool how there's different gifts with schizophrenia and schizoaffective. Like, we all have different gifts and all that. But anyways, I just wanted to talk about the weight gain and then some of the medicine I've been on. But yeah, I experienced a little bit of weight gain as well. I don't know if it was directly from the antipsychotic, but probably was somewhat to do with it. I lost my six-pack. Poor me. Feel bad for me. Please. Just kidding. But yeah, it's just... Anyways, schizophrenia, schizoaffective, bipolar, and weight gain with antipsychotics is an interesting battle for sure. It's not. I haven't really experienced it, so I don't know how hard it is. But maybe I can do some interviews with people that are schizophrenic, and bipolar, and all that. Peace.